In the world of casino strategy, there are systems. And then there is something else entirely. A framework so meticulously engineered, so structurally elegant that it doesn't just guide the player, it redefines the way Baccarat is played. This is Continuum Enigma Baccarat. For decades, players have chased the illusion of control. They've relied on hunches, patterns and progressions that promise the world but collapse under real pressure. They've trusted systems built on emotion, superstition or blind hope. But Continuum Enigma is not built on hope. It is built on architecture, a deterministic operator-grade sequence that tells you, hand by hand, exactly what to do. No guesswork, no improvisation, no spiraling bets or reckless escalations, just clarity. To understand Continuum Enigma, you must first understand what it replaces. Traditional progressions are fragile. They lure players in with simplicity, then punish them with volatility. They lack structure, they lack intelligence, they lack the ability to adapt to the natural rhythm of the shoe. Continuum Enigma does what no other system has ever achieved. It thinks ahead. It anticipates the flow of play. It controls exposure. It dictates when to strike and when to pause. This is not a suggestion. This is instruction. Every hand is part of a larger continuum, an unfolding sequence where each decision is informed by the last. The system doesn't react emotionally. It doesn't chase losses. It doesn't get greedy. It simply follows its own internal logic, guiding the operator through the shoe with unwavering precision. And at the heart of this breakthrough lies the book, a classified style manual that reveals the full structure of the system in a way that is both accessible and profoundly powerful. This is not a dense academic text. It is a field guide, clean, elegant, and engineered for real-world use. Inside, you'll discover the core architecture of the continuum, the deterministic sequence that governs every hand, the exact moments to pause, reset, and re-engage, the psychological framework that keeps the operator disciplined and in control, and the operational philosophy that elevates Baccarat from a game to a mission. Readers don't simply learn Continuum Enigma, they adopt it. They carry the book with them. They reference it before sessions. They treat it as a companion, an anchor of clarity in a world of noise. Because once you've experienced the system in action, something becomes unmistakably clear. You are no longer gambling. You are executing. Continuum Enigma Baccarat stands alone because it solves the problem every other system ignores: human emotion. The system removes hesitation. It removes doubt. It removes the destructive impulse to chase, to guess, to feel the next hand. Instead, it gives you a path, a structure, a sequence that cannot be shaken by fear or excitement. This is why players who adopt Continuum Enigma never go back. Because once you've operated with clarity, once you've played with a system that tells you exactly what to do, once you've seen how effortlessly it outperforms every progression ever created, you realize the truth. There is Baccarat before Continuum Enigma and Baccarat after. If you're ready to step out of the chaos, if you're ready to stop guessing, if you're ready to elevate your game with a system that is unlike anything else in the world, then it's time. Get the book. Learn the system. Join the operators who already know. Continuum Enigma Baccarat isn't just a strategy, it's the future. For more information, visit continuumenigma.com or buy it direct from amazon.com. Once you play the system, you can join the Continuum Enigma Players Circle on Facebook, a specific group created for operators of Continuum Enigma Baccarat.